The purpose of the Mobile Training Lab at Northern Lakes College is all about increasing access to educational opportunities. The state-of-the-art Mobile Training Lab allows us to bring hands-on educational experiences right to your community. We can deliver tailor-made training to suit your community or organizational needs. We work with you to customize the training. The Mobile Training Lab allows us to provide that customized training right in your backyard. The Mobile Training Lab is 50 feet long and opens up to 1,500 square feet of training space. The lab has 8 portable workstations for hands-on training with the latest equipment and tools. The lab can be connected to a power supply, or diesel generators can be used to supply electrical power and heat. There is no infrastructure to worry about because the Mobile Training Lab is self-contained. Whether you're an educator, a corporation, a First Nation, or a Métis settlement looking to generate excitement about educational opportunities, a hands-on, interactive learning environment creates a meaningful educational experience. Our Mobile Training Lab provides students with the convenience of staying in their home communities while being introduced to hands-on educational experiences. The lab provides space for classroom training and practical experiences. Utilizing the Mobile Training Lab, Northern Lakes College offers 16-week sessions of pre-employment trades programs that provides classroom training, practical experience, work readiness skills, and work integrated learning. Upon successful completion of the pre-employment trade program, candidates are eligible to challenge the first period apprenticeship and industry training exam and become a registered apprentice. The lab can be customized to offer the following pre-employment programs: carpenter, electrician, heavy equipment technician, industrial mechanic, and welder.